my beautiful angels, welcome back to my channel. And today's video I'll be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. So if you guys want to see this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications on so you get notified every time I upload a video. And to get a post notification shout out on the end of every video, every video that I upload, all you gotta do is subscribe, hit the bell, and comment when done. And let's get into the video.
The first thing I'm gonna apply is the moisturizer, which is by Avenue. And now I'm gonna start brushing my eyebrows. The next thing I'll be using is this dip brush by Anastasia, and it's the color medium brown, and I'll be using this brush to fill in my eyebrows. And now I'm using this brush to get rid of the line in front of my eyebrows. And now I'm be using this concealer by Tarte, and it's the color light, and I'm gonna be applying that under my eyebrows and above my eyebrows. The next thing I'll be using is this beauty blender, and I'm just gonna blend out all the concealer. The next thing I'll be using is this eyebrow gel by NYX, and I'll be applying that on my eyebrows. And I'll be using this foundation by Benefit, and I'll be using this brush to apply that on my face. The next thing I'll be using is this concealer by Tarte, and I'll be applying that under my eyes and my chin and my forehead. And then you want to use a beauty blender to blend out all the concealer. Next thing I'll be using is this setting powder by Airspun, and what you want to do is you want to go ahead and pat it and shake it a little bit, and then you want to go ahead and apply that where you apply all the concealer on your face. And now you want to move on to bronzer, and the bronzer that I'm using is by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to be applying that on my cheekbones and my forehead. And then you want to use a beauty blender to apply the setting powder under your bronzer. And then you want to use a beauty blender to blend out the bronzer. The next thing I'm going to be using is this brush to blend out the powder. The next thing I'm going to be using is this James Charles palette, and I'm going to be applying this light brown color shade on the corner of my eyes. The next color I'm going to be using is this red burgundy color, and I'm going to be applying that on the corner of my eyes. The next color I'm going to be using is this light red color shade by Jaclyn Hill, and I'm going to be dipping it in the corner of my eyes. The next color I'm going to be using is this red color shade by James Charles, and I'm just going to mix it in with the Jaclyn Hill color shade and apply it on my eyes. And now I'm using this brush to apply concealer on the lid of my eyes. The next thing I'm going to be using is this brush to blend out the concealer. And now I'm going to go ahead and use the Jaclyn Hill palette and use this red glitter shade and apply that on the lid of my eyes. using this James Charles palette and use this brush to apply the same color shade under my eyes. And I'm gonna go ahead and take off the tape. And I'm gonna be using this mascara by Big Shots, and I'm gonna be applying that on my lashes. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lashes, and there they are. They look so pretty. Next thing I'm gonna be using is this highlight by Revolution. I'm gonna be applying this highlight color on my face. And then I'm gonna be using this lip liner color, and I'm gonna be applying that on my lips. And I'm gonna be applying this lipstick color and apply on my lips. And I'm gonna be applying this setting spray by Too Faced, and I'm gonna be applying that all over my face. And I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair done.
My makeup look. So as you can see, I really love this makeup look. Like, if you guys agree, please comment below and comment below what other type of videos you guys want to see next. And of course, in case your shout goes to Heady Thank you so much for supporting me and watching my videos. And to get post notifications, all you gotta do is subscribe, turn post notifications on, and comment and done. So yeah, I'm feeling so like, look at this highlight, it's popping. Like, okay. So comment below what videos you guys want to see, and I will see you guys next time. And remember, you are perfect, you are pure, and you're an angel.
That damn got a whole lot, but you know what, bitch, I'm a hot girl for you.